Noah doesn't think I should have this video, but
Yeah.
I don't care. I'm
Yes.
excited. So as you guys know, we had to pull out of buying our house in Hudson. And
It was very emotional.
it was very emotional and very hard for us. And to the point where we were just like, should we stop looking? Should we just not do it anymore? So we were at that point. Told our realtor, we said, take us off the MLS thing. And just, I told her, since she's our friend, I said, let us know if something perfect comes along.
This was after we saw.
If you want to talk, why don't you get in here?
No.
Okay.
This was after we tried to talk. After we tried to see other places and
multiple places.
Put a bunch of offers in and nothing came through.
Mm-hmm. We were feeling pretty defeated and pretty down, and we're like, it must not be time or something. And so we're like, all right, we're gonna wait. We're just gonna stop actively looking. And so I told our realtor, if something pops up that's perfect for us, then let us know. How long after we said we were stop looking did she text us? I don't think it was very long. So maybe
it was the
same week. She sends me a text message saying, hey, this place in this area that you live in, the area that you want to be in, popped up and it's perfect for you guys. So she sent us the listing. We loved it. Just looking at it online, it had beautiful floors, a lot of updates. We were sold. It was a townhome. It was a lot smaller than the one we were going to have, but hey, it's in the location where we want to be in. So we were just like, should we go try? And she's like, I think you guys should go try, even if nothing happens, but you never know. So we went to go see it. And it's funny because the unit actually was being rented out. So an investor owns it and she was renting it out, but she wanted to sell it. The renter happened to be there when we had our showing, which was very unexpected, but it ended up being really cool because she told us all about the neighbors, because she had lived there for 2 years. So she kind of understood what it was like to live there. So she said the neighbors were really nice. It was just telling us about the area and everything. And we were sold. We're like, this is amazing. But all we could do was put our offer in at list price. That's all we could do. And we're like, the way things are going in the market right now, things are going way over. We just didn't know if it was going to happen. We have very low expectations. We were like, I don't think this is going to happen for us, but we'll try. This was on a Friday, and it happened to be the weekend of a blizzard. So it was the start of a blizzard in Minnesota in April. And so it was crazy. So we put an offer in. Our only thing we could do was list, and we're like, all right, we'll try. And so we were waiting to hear if we got back, if they accepted our offer. And Saturday night, was it? I think it was like Saturday night, pretty late. 9 o'clock? 10 o'clock? Something. It was pretty late. So we were like, whoa. We said you need to give us an answer if you accept our offer or not by midnight. Saturday was the biggest blizzard that we've had all winter. And this is April, guys. This is April in Minnesota, and sometimes we have snowstorms. But so apparently this woman who owned the house had like multiple showings scheduled for during that Saturday. And because of the snowstorm, because of this blizzard, all of them canceled. And we were like, what? That's awesome, because now we're the only offer. Our realtor was actually working with her realtor and trying to get the seller to understand, my clients are ready. We can work with, the closing dates you need and everything like that. And we're going to offer you list. And units in that area, we're not going for more than what this unit was listed for. She ended up accepting it, and we were so excited. Like, we really were sweating during that blizzard. It was the most emotional I think I've ever been, except for when we had to pull out of buying our other house. But I feel like it is meant to be because it is in the area that we originally wanted to be in, the area that we grew up in, around, and our family, it lives around here and everything. And it's perfect. It has pretty much everything we wanted except for a basement, but you know, what can you do? But it is a really, really nice place. Kind of newer, so it's not like 80s or anything like that. It's actually built in 93, so as far as houses go, that's a pretty good year, I guess. My grandma's house is actually built in 93, and she's been there for like 20 something years. I don't know. Long story short, everything got accepted. We got all the paperwork and everything over that weekend, or over that blizzard, and then everything was finalized. And we scheduled an inspection, which actually was today, which is April 20th, 2018. No one wants to tell everybody it was 420. The inspection went really well. There are a few minor fixes, but we're going to try to ask if they will be willing to fix them. But overall, inspection went great. And so we're going to be doing the appraisal probably within a week or so, and our closing will be June 15th. That's one thing that's crazy about this place, is that they couldn't have any close date until June, which is perfect for us because we're educators. So we're out like the first week of June, so we were able to do that closing date no problem. Actually works out better for us. So we are just really excited, and we're just hoping that everything keeps going really well. But I think it's gonna stick this time. Noah's trying to be glass half empty, but I don't know. It seems right to me.
Gotta get the appraisal back too.
But yeah, we're gonna get the appraisal back, and I don't think we'll have a problem. I really don't, because our realtor said she's sold units in that area, and they're all listed at about that same price. All appraised at the same price. So yeah, that's our big news. We had the inspection, went well, so everything should start moving along, and hopefully this will be our first home. So guys, if you're looking for a house and you're feeling like it's never gonna happen for you, and you've had just so many disappointments, just know that the right one will come along and everything will all work out. That's what I've had to learn. God is in control. I am not. So hopefully everything goes well, and we will get to this closing and have our first home. So we're really excited. And we're excited to bring you guys along with us through this whole journey. I had everything else filmed with the other house, but of course that doesn't even matter anymore. But now I'll have this to remember, and I'll also be able to remember what could have been, but it wasn't meant to be. That's all I gotta remember. Hope you guys enjoy our vlogs of our house journey. It's been one bumpy ride, one roller coaster ride of emotions, but we're really excited for what's ahead. Right, Noah?
Yep.
Yep. So we will see you in our next vlog. Bye!